Patients come in for a consultation at Herald Square Dental in the Denture Center and often ask, can I replace all my teeth with dental implants? The answer is, virtually everybody is a candidate for dental implants. It starts first with a three-dimensional CAT scan x-ray of your mouth, so we could see what your bone looks like from all angles. Even if you've been told previously that you have insufficient bone to place dental implants, there are modern techniques to increase your bone and create the environment to allow for the dental implants. Dental implants today offer a real wow factor. Besides looking incredibly natural, dental implants will increase your chewing efficiency, improve your digestion, and you'll be able to smile with confidence again. Maintaining your dental implants is much like maintaining your natural teeth. You need to brush at home a minimum of twice a day and floss every day. In addition, you need to see your dentist at least twice a year for a dental examination and the hygienist at least twice a year for a thorough dental cleaning.